our theme is about empowering technology for tomorrow's success. Over here you will see different kind of technology being showcased to our customers and the public. We talked about sustainability, empowering sustainability, where we actually show our technology in terms of saving energy, saving papers, and how we can help a customer to go green. And we have the last section, which is empowering the future. We showcase our latest technology, yet to come to market, but it will be the first in Malaysia to witness the future document technology here live. The first technology I want to showcase to you is called scan translation technology. How many times you have a document like this, okay, in foreign language? For example, this one in Japanese. You want to know the content, okay? If it's a Word document, you can cut and paste and go to Google Translate and so on. How about a piece of paper document? With the scan translate technology, what we need to do is put this document into our scanner, scan it, okay? Fast forward, okay? You will get the document translated on the fly again. Okay? Within a minute, a A4 size document will be translated. We can translate up to 5 different types of languages. We can translate into 5 different types of languages from English, Japanese, Chinese traditional, Chinese simplified, and also Korean. Okay? You can see that this is the Japanese document. Okay? It's being translated to English and the translated text being placed on top of the original. Okay, that's one way. Second way is we can reproduce the document, okay, in different language while maintaining the layout. There's no changes to the layout, only the text change. Okay. Second technology here, we talk about enhanced secure watermark. This document looks nothing different. Okay, but this document has been embedded with what we call the enhanced watermark. Okay? A 2D code being embedded into the whole of the document. Even certain part of the document being retrieved back, I can know who printed this document. Okay? This is one way to enhance the document security. Okay? Third one is what we call paper fingerprint technology. Okay? This one we actually allow the document to be registered for the authentication. Now, if this one is an original document that I want to register, what I need to do is simply by putting it into the reader, okay, click the register button, the document will be scanned, but not just the image of the document, including all the way to the paper fiber pattern. We will look at the paper itself, the fiber pattern, and register into our database. Okay? If today I make another copy of this onto another piece of paper, the two paper, the fiber pattern will be totally different. Okay? If I want to make sure this is the original document, what I need to do is re-scan it back for verification. The image will be scanned, not just the document, but also the fiber pattern, and compare to the database. From there, we'll know whether this is the same piece of paper being scanned before. Okay? So this is another very high level of document security that we can provide, okay, to our customer. Okay? Here we talk about stepping into the multimedia world through print. How we bring a piece of paper document like this magazine into the internet, into the multimedia world. Okay? Regional marketing manager will explain to you.
Okay, hello, thanks for coming. So for this booth, the technology here, let me explain. Okay, we call it augmented reality. Okay, so one of the good example is QR code. I think everyone understands what is QR code, right? Basically, the black dots here, right? They embed certain information. So this information can be an email, can be a website, can be a audio or videos. So what you need is a smartphone or tablet, right? With the QR code scanner. You scan, then the web page or the video will stream on your smartphone. Ours is the same concept and idea, but the technology is different. Okay? Ours is transparent code. Okay? Imagine on your media, on your magazine, QR code everywhere. It looks like very ugly, right? It's black dots everywhere. Okay? Ours is transparent here. Basically, why? Because QR code embed onto the black dots. For us, we embed onto the image itself. So this image itself will have all the information. Okay? So let me now show you, demonstrate to you how to use our technology. Likewise, you need to have an application on your smartphone. For example, in this case. Yes. Okay. I activate the software. Basically, I just camera over the image. Immediately, they will bring you to the web content of the lady wearing the red dress doing the catwalk. Right? Likewise, give you another example before we end. This is a primary 3 science textbooks. It teaches the student what is the touch me not plant. But looking at the picture here, to be frank, a primary 3 kids may not fully understand actually what is the touch me not plant, right? So likewise, the same technology, if I apply to education on these books here, same thing, I will capture the image. And what happened? Okay? I guess definitely the student will be able to understand, okay, from this multimedia. More clear, more live and more realistic compared to just the text alone. So now the whole idea here is to bring the online experience. A lot of people say to do web and online. But now we're going to bring the online experience onto a paper and media, okay, through your smartphone and tablets. These are the latest trend and technology.
Special technology for us to put the security into paper-based document. Document is printed on our device with the special imaging font. You see there's nothing so different, okay? But there's a lot of security features printed inside. Okay? You can see this great big patch of area. Actually, with the tool here, you can see the main is being displayed. Later you can control and everything. This one way to actually ensure that this document cannot be altered, or rather to change the name and so on and so forth. Besides that, also we put in, later you can see, come closer to you. This is the name. Under the name, it looks like a line, right? Just a simple line. But if you use this, you can see that that's not a line. It's a name, actually, if you see under the. We put this tiny character for a special printing mechanism to make this document circle. Okay? This is our inspiring the future to have a total peace of mind. Okay? We can detect what happened to the device. For example, whether the toner is running low, whether there's a card need to be changed, all this will be automatically feedback to Fuji Xerox call center without involvement of our customer. Straight away, our engineer will know what to do, whether by calling the customer or send the right cards, send the right consumer. Customer do not need to call us. Okay?
Normally when you upload any documents into iOS and so on, it's a fairly lengthy process. If I was to do a normal scan and bring it here or into an application here, I would scan it to my PC, I would save it somewhere. On top of that, I would go to iTunes and then upload the document into my iPad. So one of the key productivity efficiencies with this MIA app is that I can scan straight from my iPad or any mobile device from the MFD. Right? Okay, so what I do is I go scan. What you'll see is that that is scanned from there now and transferred straight from the MFD to the iPad. That's the document that's just come in. On top of that, what I can do then is that I can mark. Normally, you would use a touching pen and sort of sign a document, mark it up, take notes around it, and then what I can also do on top of that is that save it. I can also print the document. That will now go straight from here to the MFD device over Wi-Fi, obviously. In terms of the mobile printing can be also achieved.